southwestern Martin County, Greene County, Davies County, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Washington, or 13 miles northeast of Petersburg, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Washington, Bloomfield, Lagotee, Worthington, Bowdoin, Lyons, Elmora, Springfield, Montgomery, Newberry, Crane, Campbellsburg, West Fox Lake, Burn City, Salisbury, Owensburg, and Glendale Fishery. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Indiana. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Davies, Greene, and Martin.